Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Oh, market is open. Market's not open. Forget I said that. Let's see what's going on though. All right, so we got a little bit of liquidity up here we just formed. I'm thinking we're looking good to the downside. This'll, good morning, mom. Is a what a glorious morning we have here. Like that word, glorious. Wow, beautiful. Mm. Appreciate y'all smashing the like button. 2 chats, 2 people in there, 2 likes. Big time. Appreciate y'all, family. All right, so it appears that we gapped down a little bit on the morning, but today is a day. Uh, should love to see top of the morning. Natasha, good morning. What are we gonna get over here? Let's see. We gotta throw SoFi up too. Iran fights Boeing crash. Oh yeah, let's look at Boeing. I did see the Boeing crash thing. I just saw that like a moment ago. Saw that on the Tic Tac. I play Roblox. Good morning. Explore with Obadiah. Hey, like the exploration. Hey, what's up, Obadiah? Top of the morning. Top of the morning. All right. All right. Let's see what else we'll get up. So we got Boeing. Let's go up to a 4 hour. Bro, Boeing just can't catch a break. Honestly, there is some. Is it? Honestly, I can see Boeing recovering from here. This actually looks like a decent area to pick up Boeing. I don't know. Or maybe we watch this level right here. Yeah, with Boeing, let's go on and run it over here. Let's see if Boeing can sell off to that. Might be money for a move up, honestly. See if that can happen. But for now, yeah. D-Scurv, top of the morning. Hey, let's get it. Would I have to have more than one contract to really profit off TSL? LL, no, you can have one. It really just depends. So, like, if you're trying to go for like big Tesla numbers, just know it's going to be relative to everything's going to be relative to the amount of cash you have. Like, so it's like you can still get 100% plays with TSLL, like similar to how you'll have 100% plays with Tesla. Everything's going to be relative. So think if you put $500 in Tesla, you might get this kind of move. Whereas if you put 500 in TSLL, you might get this kind of move, but it's going to be better. I don't know. It really just depends on I guess the value of your contract. Let's see. Hey, top of the morning, Frank. Christine, good morning. Yeah, we got some. Oh yeah, it's raining. It's raining. Matt, good morning. And good morning. Here, let's see what else. All right, what are we gonna throw right here? We were just talking about Tesla. Let's take a quick look. I'm not too on with that today. Let's look at Hood. Google has sold off a bit. Oh, low key, there's some liquidity right there on Google. This might be a value over here. Yeah, Google's moving down some more. Let's see. Randy, good morning. Yeah, we got SoFi up right here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to throw my do not disturb on because we already got stuff popping off. Emmett, top of the morning. See Smooth, top of the morning. Dwight, good morning. M-Sense, good morning. Car headed to the gig. Hey, no help needed, no help needed. Nothing going on right now. Everything's all good. Enjoy that ride. Keep it on easy mode. Okay. I'm still not sure what I want to put on this chart right now. Isaac, good morning. Master DRC, good morning. Hey, Zoom call was nice. I started off like not showing my screen at first and talked for a good amount, but Zoom call was nice. I think like I was looking at everything, like all the charts and stuff we went over. A lot of people asked about like kind of what I was looking at in the charts, and so far it looks like everything has kind of played out for like just the short term, just the pre-market for the reasons I like to wait. Sun data, hey, top of the morning. Appreciate you, M-Sense. I missed the data this morning, anything relevant. So only thing I saw was, what's it, CPI, PPI? PPI and unemployment claims. So we came in above expectations on unemployment claims. PPI, we came in below expectations. So PPI, good. Unemployment claims, bad. Yeah, and then we got natural gas storage and a 30-year bond auction later today. A lot of pullbacks. Yes, sir. A lot of pullbacks. Hey, the victory mash. Hey, you know exactly what we're trying to get today. I see you came ready. Looks like you even brought some for yourself. All right. Stan, good morning. Actually, I'm gonna drop this down. We're gonna go to like 4. All right, so here. I don't need that 48 right now. I'm gonna swap that out to SoFi though. Oh, we got like T-10 till market open. Stan, good morning. Southern Magnolia, good morning. Tesla robbed me clean. At least it wasn't dirty. But hey, sorry to hear that, man. All right, so we're pushing up. One thing I'm looking at right now is it does look like there is some liquidity right here. I may may toy around with the idea of a short at resistance. If we can take that level real quick. Let me take a quick look on the at the SPY real. So yeah, we got the SPY up here. I'm gonna see if we can take out liquidity. I might go for something extra quick. Okay, so we're not just immediately going for it. Okay. All right, so we're kind of chilling for now. Okay. Got that liquidity up there, not racing to go though. I see it on the Qs. Okay, the Qs is already doing it. Qs is doing it. I'm looking at the SPY. All right, shout out to the 32 people that came through Smash Like. Yeah, so the Qs is going for it. Let's look at the range on the Qs again. Okay, so it's looking like the... Oh, hold up. Okay, SoFi is pulling back. It's trying to give me another opportunity to take profit from yesterday. All right, here, let's see. Honestly, hey, what I got in at, look, I have 3 of those SoFis from yesterday. Oh, dang, SoFi, okay, SoFi trying to come back up now. I was about to cut out, but I swear they're listening to me. I'm gonna have to make the moves and then kind of broadcast them because they like to play. All right. Good morning. Still holding SoFi put. What do you think? Honestly, I think SoFi looks good for downside, personally. But if you're in it and you're nervous about it, now is definitely a good time to get out because it's still a little bit in the money, or it's still a little bit in the green. Kareem, good morning. Got 120 off Google put. Hey, good to hear. Good to hear. Finna pack it up today. Nvidia sympathy reaction to Oracle. Here, we'll swap that out. Okay, dang, Nvidia bounced. Okay. All right. I will watch this trend line, but we'll see. Do you see Tesla put plays? Tesla has supported about like 318. So if it's confirmed below that, and I think resistance, I don't remember what resistance is. Tesla resistance is about 324. So if it, well, actually, I think it's moved up since then. But I'm gonna stay on these for now so I can like see them. I gotta see what's going on with these, so I'm not trying to pull up the other ones quite yet. All right, so we got Nvidia kind of running. There is some liquidity right here, so this is a possible reversal point for Nvidia. Let's see how it responds, but this actually looks like a really good spot to short Nvidia. Like just for a quick day trade. It was like maybe like if I were looking for a quick move to like 142.60, like this support, that would be me trying to rise to the next area, but maybe possibly able to ride to a new low. Let's see what happens with Nvidia. Did it sweep? It looks like it may have barely passed, so if this sells off, I would say that's valid for a sweep. T-Pens, good morning, good morning. Looks like we got potential sweep working on the Qs, but not quite on the SPY. What are the orange and blue lines on the charts? Those are EMAs. How is this forward put still negative? Probably has something to do with theta and the delta. If it hasn't moved down enough, the theta's going to be stronger. All right, so Nvidia is making that move. It's as of right now, it's looking like that would have been a good short. Let's see if it goes and hits that like first target. All right, so SoFi, I believe no, not quite yet. I was going to say the lowest has been since we got in the trade, but it got to like 1462 yesterday. I personally would like to see it at least 1450 for me to do my little cuts. Honestly, I feel like we're doing a lot of sideways, movement. I'm going to throw hands with this theta person. All right, have the delta talk to him. Yeah, delta might be able to get you in there. Throw you in the ring with theta. So I used the blue one is the 13 for me, and the orange one is the 48. All right, SoFi selling a little bit lower. Nvidia is still kind of. Who's Delta? She sounds like a B. I mean, I would say Delta is more like she's more like a boss. Like Delta, like that's Delta kind of clean with it. Southern Magnolia said, "Get some licks from me too." Hey, honestly, I don't think any of us like Theta, but Delta's pretty cool. All right, so Nvidia trying to push again. Q's trying to push again. SoFi still holding that support right now. I'm like right now I'm still like holding in a SoFi right now just because the EMAs on the 15 have crossed to the downside. So I'm trying to see if we can kind of extend this move. But it is at a level of support. So if Nvidia is gonna or SoFi is gonna do anything and take off from somewhere, it could be right here. But I still lean towards it pulling back. Here, let me. All right, so Nvidia back pretty close to the high of day. Chilling in that area. The Q's still kind of at resistance. We'll have to see what happens here. SoFi trying to find a little life too. SoFi's back at 1480 or so. The likes have climbed to 44. Not quite keeping up with the viewership, but the likes are they're trying to make a move too a little bit. All right, they're becoming a little bit more stagnant, but likes are I believe those will come up later as well. Would you suspect that, bro? I cannot tell you anything about Ford, like the way it moves. I mean, it's in a downtrend. You got the EMAs cross to the downside, so I would until it gets above 1062, like until it confirms above that, I would be like, yeah, I would think it's coming down. $144.50 is an important level. Let's see. Yeah, still having a hard time at this not even 144, but 143.82. Having a bit of a time. Also, our top of the morning. All right, we got Tesla. Tesla is pushing up right now a little bit. SoFi is back up to 1487. Definitely progressing faster than the likes. Moving faster than the likes. All right, so wait, hold up. All right, so SoFi low-key had some liquidity over here. That might have been a little sweep movement, but it might not be done yet. We'll see what happens here. All right, Nvidia, as of right now, still having a hard time. Still a little bit of a hard time. SoFi EMA is trying to like cross back to the upside. We'll see. Also, a little liquidity up here at this 1495, so that would be a good area for it to come in reverse. Do you know if Hood has a supply zone? It does, but it's pretty far. Oh wait, supply zone. No, I wouldn't say so. Unless you go back to, like, if you go back on a weekly chart, it's in a supply zone, but the supply zone is massive, so it's in a supply zone right now, but it's the time frame is so high that that's not going to serve you. All right, so SPY is up here, or it went and took some liquidity. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna see if there's any benefit that can be taken from that. All right. So I just grabbed a SPY 595 put expiring tomorrow, and I paid 77 for it. And here, let's see. Bought in about right there. I might just let this one sit, see if we can get any action. I would love if we could ride to support, but I'm gonna let that one kind of do its thing today. All right, what do we have over here? It was Nvidia. Let me alert the family real quick that I just took that trade on the SPY. Just grabbed a 595 SPY put expiring, what is it, June 13th. Paid 77 per share. Oh wait, I already did that. There we go. And then, all right, so we got the EMAs on the NVIDIA trying to cross up on the 15. Let me swap this out. Add this SPY card or put I just got. There we go. All right. QQQ bullish again. Can you please say it again about the SPY? So yeah, if you look back a couple seconds ago, I just added it. So yeah, if you go back in the video to about like 26 minutes in, you'll see it. Good morning, is Robinhood Legends any good? I would say there's some goodness to it. It's not for me, but yeah, it's like there's some value to Robinhood Legend. I think I know how you have explained how to make your trade free before. Do you have a video so I can get better understanding? If you look up the trading fraternity ghetto spread on my channel, or if you look up anything with the ghetto spread, or look up search how to make trades free and type in my name, that'll be your training. Like that'll be what you're looking for. All right, so let's see what happens here. I got it for tomorrow. This is like, I'm not risking a large amount, so I'm just going. It's high risk. You're welcome, Anna, or Anna. Welcome, Dizzle. I have options expiring tomorrow. Do I sell them today before the end of close tomorrow? So at the latest, it'll be the end of tomorrow, but ideally you take profit or get out before then, because they're going to lose a lot of value tomorrow. So if I think getting in, so if I from where it's at, I'm not getting in another SoFi position. That's like, I can only speak from what I would do. Like, unless I like wanted to roll. All right, so we got the SPY pushing up. All right, so there are some things that would make me, I'm gonna ride this SPY put unless we get confirmation to the upside. So that would be what would make me exit the trade. All right, so we're pushing back to the upside pretty aggressively on a lot of things. We're pushing up on NVIDIA, pushing up on the Qs, pushing up on the SPY. But also seeing a little more liquidity here. on the SPY as well. So rolling. How is a 10-5 put even when the stock is at 10.49? So depending on what you paid for the put, you got to look at what your break even is. So once you get past your break even, that's when every penny past your break even that you are on the stock at expiration, that's going to be $1. But if there's no like large expected movement or anything like that for Ford, it's not gonna be up that crazy. All right, I see a swing put just went in on Robinhood on Derive. Oh, Robinhood is back at that 75. Just knowing it's at that level, I would kind of stand by that swing actually. I've already looked at it, so I don't even need to pull it up. I already know what it looks like. Does anybody know why everything is pushing up? No reason in particular. I mean, we did get good data, but it's just allowing opportunity, creating liquidity. They like to push up before they bring things down. So you could say it's to trap people. Oh, SoFi back at the top. You didn't realize that. So SoFi is at the top of the range, so actually might be a good short from there. Uh-oh, I'm in that SPY play with you. Got in at 71 on the push-up. Am I using the 16? Right now I'm watching on the 15-minute. I don't like the 5-minute as much because I feel like I get faked out more on it. How does break even work? Break even is the price that you need the stock to be at to not have made or lost money on your contract at expiration. So it's like break even, it doesn't matter until like the end of the day, on the day your contract expires. But know that if you're at break even already, you're kind of in a good spot on your contract, and like everything past break even is just good profit. That Elon Trump fight cost me 600. Oh yeah, I'm sure it costs a lot of people a lot of money. It's I still feel like once again, I feel like all this is planned. It's like I know Tesla's going to come back up. And I was like, I know it's not going to just hold down for this long. It was like too oversold in that short time. It's like it wouldn't surprise me if they wanted to have some more tension or something, come back up and bring it back down. They spoke yesterday on the tariff. I thought they did that like pre-market yesterday. Smash that like button. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and do that. Likes are at 55. We got the market climbing faster than the likes. Plus, with the Elon apology, I'm not sure I would completely call it an apology, but he did express regrets. That's something. I would call it more of a walk back of some of his statements. Achuhu, good morning. Majada Gator, good morning. Let's see. Dang. Gotta get to my elbow. All right, so, okay. SPY, hey, that resistance is still holding the SPY, pushing the Qs back down a little bit. As of right now, we are still have not confirmed So still in this trade, still gonna ride this trade. SoFi has come back down to SoFi is a lot of movement on SoFi this morning. But I do feel good to actually hold up. We did push up to like 15, 17 yesterday. It would have been nicer to see us take that before coming down, but a lot of movement on SoFi today. It still looks good that we hit our pre-market resistance. Tyler, good morning. Yeah, I'm still in my SoFi puts. Anything on Palantir? Palantir is pretty stagnant right now. Range looks like, I don't know what the range was pre-market, but as of right now, the range, unless it breaks below like 135 or breaks above like 137, it's not really anything to watch like that in my eyes at the moment. We were even saying it was that we were, Matt. That we were. Oh, look at that. Pfizer moves up a little more. Oh, wait, hold up. Oh, okay, I'm on the wrong time frame. I was about to say, I don't remember it getting that high. Hey, so we got in that Pfizer call over here. I got in at 60. It's already up at 75. We still got like a year on the contract. A little over a year. That thing moving. That thing moving. All right, let's see. George, good morning. All right, SoFi doing some selling off. Kinda. SoFi still in the red on the day. Okay. SPY with the liquidity being shown up top. Here, let's see where the 200 is real quick. Let me see. Where's that 200 EMA at on all of these? All right, let's see if we hold above this 200 EMA or sell off on this SPY. Let's see where we are on the Qs too. See how we are relevant to everything. Let's check NVIDIA too. All right, so honestly, we're currently above on everything. If we hold above this 200, that might make me a little nervous. Well, I need a 60 contract that expires in a year. Hey, we got it on stream on Monday. I still think it's a good buy. Like even right now. All right, so we about to what? Okay, we're about to close our second candle on the day. Okay, looks like Q's is like right there. Oh no, it looks like it's gonna hold up for now. All right, so it looks like we closed above the 200 on most everything. See if we can confirm above the 200. So I'm. It's not about holding above that level. I'm looking at resistance, which is at 684. I'm looking for a complete candle close above that. And I would want to see, also consider confirmation, a complete candle close above the 200 EMA, not necessarily like just getting above it. Mike Knight, good morning. Hey, how are things where you're at, man? If SPY hold, wait, okay, you said that twice. Terry Ann, good morning. Yes, it is a great day to make some money. All right, we're pushing up. Pushing up a little bit on the SPY, kinda. Still having trouble getting above that level, but we'll see what happens. Hims put just closed. Let's see how Hims has moved. All right, SPY pushing up. It had a good move of liquidity this morning. All right, so this candle right here has lived completely above this 200. But we still got about 13 minutes or so. Let's check some things real quick. All right, so PCE is up at 61, so that's up a little bit on the day. So of course they're going to try to push it higher. What's the buy for today? We'll see. I currently have a SPY put. This is either a really good buy or I'm about to get whopped out of it. We'll see. We'll see. Got in a little early, but it just might pay off. But it just might not too. It's actually been pretty chill. I shut off the news. Lots of people. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. They got a new theme park that they're actually, I don't think it's going to be built for a year, but they got a new Universal Studios coming in like probably like 15 minutes away from me. No, I'm gonna have to go check that out. It's like a kids Universal Studios, but you know, Universal Studios be doing their thing, so I'm gonna have to go check that out. All right, SoFi pulling back again. Okay, let's see it. Okay, SPY still having trouble at that resistance. All right, so right now we're forming liquidity. Here, I'm gonna have to, let's see if we have like a little trend or something we can draw. It's not quite as, actually, hold up. Let me look on the 5. Maybe something like this. Let's see how it goes. On the 5, this might be like this could be like a shoulder. Depending on what happens here, it could have a head. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But here, let me try, see if I can draw something similar on the, it's a little bit more in line with the cues. All right, let's just try from here. See how that goes. And we'll go back to a 15. All right, so yeah, still pushing up right now. It's at 80 and some. That Hims put is up. I'm tight. Cool. My bad for hopping in SPY. I should have known. Uh, it's not necessarily done on the SPY. We'll see what happens here. I hopped in kind of early on the SPY anyway. It's like I know better, but I also know like I'm aware of the odds. Like I know I'm taking a chance with that. It's not nothing concerning has happened yet. This is all a part of trading. It's like we bought a put at resistance. What can you do? You know these trades don't necessarily move right away. So head, shoulders, knees, and toes. With the XD smiley face. Bro, I remember when we used to have to use letters for emojis. Anybody here not remember that? Or I remember when I used to have to use the colon parentheses or parentheses colon or the parentheses colon parentheses to kind of, yes sir. Core weed finally diving. Diving? Oh, hold up. Backing out, gotta pay a little bit more attention to SPY. SPY is catching a little volume. Or they're pushing up. This might be a liquidity move. This isn't confirmation, so we'll still have to see. But this candle right here might be scary. It'll be cool if it pushes up to like 602.22, but we could still come down from there. I notice you and the others, the more money you have, the tighter the risk you'll take now. I just buy lower and see what happens. You could say that. I would say ideally, like if it's a day trade, I'm keeping it tight because it can run. But if I'm on the 4 hour, then yeah, I'll just kind of let it go because I see something different, and it can kind of get started at any point. Oh dang, that Pfizer call moving some more. All right. Hey, up. Hey, it's up a little good amount. Knees and toes, yeah. 304 used to, They still use that. They still use that like I think that's a term on what's it, fresh and fit? They call them 304s. Oh yeah, texting with the number pad only took. Nah. I was quick with it, bro. I triple clicked everything, bro. It was so easy to text without looking. It was so easy to take the phone in class and just yeah, bro. Nah. But I remember when they used to be like call 1-800 like got 'em or something, and it's like, whoa, how do you get to that letter? And it's like, oh, the letter is associated with this number. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy where technology has gone. How are you able to enter these options with just 200 by taking on a high level of risk, if we're being honest. So less time, further from the money, usually looking for smaller gains. But the one I entered was less than a 200 today. The one I got in today was I think it was like 77 when I bought in. Right now it's down to 61, so it wasn't, as of right now it's not in favor, but on the 4 hour, if SPY gets to and hold up, let's see. Oh yeah, we do have some liquidity on the 4 hour right here at 602. So honestly, I'd be cool with us pushing up a little bit more. Wait, actually, hold up. Low key, hold up. So on the 4 hour, we're kind of in a weird. So this was a range. We came up, did this thing. Then we like came down, made this low. Yeah, we'll have to see. Honestly, there's a lot of things that can happen, can occur from where we are right now. We'll really just have to see what's up. Is Pepsi going? Oh yeah, they kind of took off. Let's see what's going on with Coke. Oh, it's like a different story. Kinda. You're welcome, Leela. All right, so we're still doing a little push up right now. Approaching another area of resistance. Resistance. I meant to watch Pep. Is it too late? I don't know. This isn't anything I trade really. I do see there is a little resistance right here at kind of where it hit. It is overbought, but that's just on the 15. So honestly, like when I zoom out and look at it on a higher time frame, it's been consolidating in the range. So top end of the range is about 132.41. It's like right in the middle of the range pretty much. So it's like your odds of thriving much lower, but it's still like you're chilling or whatever. All right, so okay, so CoreWeave is down 347. Let's zoom out. All right, SPY about to close that candle. CoreWeave, there's some liquidity on the 4 hour at about around like just below 131. Have to check and see how the sentiment is doing at that area. Yo, why is this not? Oh. There we go. All right, so SPY about to close with some strength. All right, so the SPY candle just closed. We got this candle right here, this next 15-minute candle. If we don't come back to this 682, we're taking the L on that SPY. What does liquidity mean? It's an area where money is exchanged quickly. Um, it's an area where there can be a reversal. Whenever you see these wicks on the candles, just think of liquidity. But yeah, it's usually an area where there is a quick change in direction. Like if we look at SoFi, we see these big wicks. We seen it this morning. SoFi sold off pretty quickly this morning down to 1467, then pushed all the way back up on the next candle to 1514. And what's going on here is there's a lot of liquidity. It sold off, like it bought up and sold off really fast. So just think of fast price movement. There's an exchange going on between buyers and sellers. 15-minute candle looking strong and green. That it is. Did I? Oh yeah, we did. Apple just hit my bottom trend line. Oh, let's see. Let's take a look at the Appler. What time frame, D-Scurv? Do we have any announcements today? Let's see. Nothing going on with Trump. We got natural gas storage in like 13 minutes. Low impact expected in a 30-year bond auction at 12:01. Oh, SPY is pushing. We are above that level. Still gonna wait for this candle to close, but yo, it is it's doing the run now. Let me go up to a 4-hour real quick. I'm still of the belief that it can reverse here, but we will see. You said 1 hour? Here, let's see. Let me get rid of some of these EMAs. There's something like this. Here, let's also I've been watching you for a while, and you are so calm and confident in a higher time frame. I struggle with the higher time frame because I don't have enough patience. I would say if you struggle having patience, find something to occupy your time. Find some other hobbies. Find something else. I don't know. Maybe it's like I would imagine you come to trading to make money and whatnot. It's like maybe find some sort of project that it's like it may not happen overnight. Most things don't occur overnight. Trading is typically a multi-year long journey. But it's like find something else you can do alongside it, and it's like honestly, whenever it comes to trading, especially like on the higher time frames, it's like maybe depending on how many stocks you're looking at, maybe you spend maybe like 30 minutes a day like charting, ideally you're not looking at as many stocks as I'm looking at. The only reason I'm looking at as many stocks as I am is because I'm here with y'all. But like when I was in Europe and I was kind of more ghost on YouTube, I was I think I was predominantly trading like SPY, Nvidia, the Qs, Tesla, and AMD, and pretty much it's like I would have my supply and demand zones. I would have my alerts set, and once they hit, it was like, all right, let me get 2 weeks time. And like I think I was going for like contracts that were maybe about $300, $500, like anywhere in that range. I was like, whatever I can get closest for that one, with like 2 weeks time on it, and I would just kind of let them do their thing. If there was profit in the morning, it's like I would take it. If not, it's like I just wait till the move was made. And I was occupied because, I was out like doing things throughout the day and whatnot. And like hanging out with people and like traveling and whatnot. So it's like, I guess after like forcing myself to do that, it kind of became easier. Adobe going down after earnings. It's my understanding. Okay, cool. D-Scurve. It's my understanding. Hold up. What happened to the comment I just read? Where are we at? Okay, there it is. It's my understanding that Adobe is actually like likely very undervalued where it's at. So honestly, Adobe can go either way, but I would lean more towards Adobe going up than down. Adobe is a company that's becoming more valuable, but you don't necessarily compare things to all-time highs, but from Adobe's all-time highs, where are we at? Where's the tool at? Yeah, from Adobe's all-time highs, Adobe is currently down like 41% from all-time highs, but it's become more valuable in like what it produces and the like what it actually puts out. So I would be more bullish on Adobe personally, but that's just me. Hold up. All right, so I'm seeing that the SPY put's holding up a little better than expected. Like it's running up, but this put is like holding. There could be something there. I don't know. We'll have to. I'm also going to take into account how this candle looks when it closes. If it closes with strength as well, okay, we're out of there. But let's see. Mark, good morning. How do I feel about the Qs today? I mean, right now it's in a bullish position. The Qs hasn't confirmed yet. Actually, the SPY hasn't confirmed yet either. But the Qs this candle is looking like almost reversally, but we'll have to see. It's like I'm feeling a little more bearish just because we closed kind of bearish on things, but we'll have to see. Actually, hold up. Let me come up to let's see. Let me see the Qs on the 4. Let me cycle through some time frames. It's the 1 day. Oh yeah, Qs is pretty much, yeah, they're touching all-time highs pretty much. Honestly, this might be a area where we sell off kind of big. Actually, looking at the Qs, I could see something like that happening. TQQQ. Oh, let me take a quick look at TQQQ. I might like looking at this. I might want to like hedge and get some puts. When was this? That was May. Where do we go in April? Okay, so we got all the way down to 34. Yeah, I might be cool with that. So hard looking at that. Okay, now let's look at the same way on the SPY or on the Qs. Hold on, y'all. I'm doing a little exploration right now. I don't know right now. Let's look at these lower time frame candles. Yeah, it's looking like I'm about to cut out on the SPY. I'm about to likely take a little L because the SPY is going nuts. But we'll still give it some time. All right, let's see. Alerts and discipline. Yes, very much so. NVIDIA on one. Wish I would. NVIDIA on one. Okay, hold up. Letitia, good morning. Could we buy the put on the SPY longer than tomorrow and watch it until we? Very much so. I chose tomorrow because I didn't want to spend that much on it, and it looked as if it was ready. So I got it for high risk. Like that's a high risk trade I took. But yeah, ideally you get more time. But also just want to be careful because it can also go higher too. But this 4-hour candle has not confirmed to the upside. All right, so it looks like we're closing up here. Check the 30 real quick. Yo, why is it just freezing? What are your thoughts on red pill? Uh, I mean, I don't fully like it's been a while since I've like really delved and like looked at all that. But I honestly I would need to like look at the definition of red pill again real quick cuz hold up. It's like I feel like there was some good stuff. There's some good in it, but it's also there's a lot of like things that I don't rock with as well. So here, let's see. I'm not I know what it is. I just don't bro, why is this chart not loading? Okay, there we go. Hold up. I'm still in this. But when it comes to a red pill, it's like there's a lot of truth in that. It's like a lot of women will flock towards men they know aren't good for them. A lot of women will pass over a lot of the good guys and all that and whatnot. But there's no need to disrespect women. There's no need to I don't know. I think when it comes to like there's a lot of good when it comes to like focusing on the development of self. But beyond that, oh, you don't need to put anyone down to do that. All right, so I will exit the spy, but I think there should still be a better opportunity for an exit. So I'm gonna still hold on just to get a better exit, whether it be on the trend line or one of these EMAs. JP, if you decide you want to get more specific with like certain aspects of that red pill question, honestly, would I would ramble on about that, but just like red pill as a whole, I don't really know what to go in on it. Is there a stock in should get into or is not giving it? Honestly, that comes down to you. It's like I'm here like just kind of sharing my experience of what I'm doing. If you have any specific questions about like maybe like oh, what are the supply and demand levels of this chart or like is there a trend line here or anything like that? It's like I can help with that, but like what should you get into? I am not qualified to give any of that information. Like I cannot do anything like that. It's like ultimately each trade is it comes down to you and what you think. Okay, now I'm seeing if 602.83 will hop out or grab another put. Bro, I keep getting these fake job scams. TQQQ put is. I was looking at it for like a long term swing. I was like looking at like getting September, but I'm not going to do that right now. Oh, Oracle's at 200? Oh, so they decided to go that way. Okay. Here, let's get back up here. All right. So I guess, hey, we can watch the run on Oracle as well. So they did end up charging some things. So it's the -4 delta that's screwing me. So Yeah, Matt, pretty much what that delta is telling you, or not, it's not necessarily that it's that's screwing you, but that's why you hear that I don't really enjoy Ford much. So what that Ford is telling you is that every dollar that, like, if Ford moves or actually that's not, is it point 0.4 or is it 0.04? But if it's point 0.4, that says if Ford moves a dollar to the downside, that contract is going to go up 40 cents per share or $40 overall. What's Derive say? Derive says a lot. I don't really. Oh, actually, Derive just put in some puts for the Qs. Wait, hold up. Yeah, they got like a put swing, but it's not on the day. It's a swing, so I'm not sure if it'll necessarily like happen like right away today. But yeah, they got a put going in. LT, good morning. Can you talk a bit about the Greek? I got a specific video that'll tell you about it. Here, I'll post it in the chat. Let's see. I probably got two. So one of them is specifically about the Greeks. And it's gonna be, oh wait, hold up. So yeah, first one is going to be, that one's going to talk specifically about the Greeks, and it's going to do it a lot faster and a lot clearer than I'm doing, right? I could probably do right now with everything going on. And then when it comes to using those to actually purchase a options contract. Oh wait, hold up. Second one's going to be using them to find an options contract, and that's should do it. Dang, we're still pushing. I might just have to double down. I think we're gearing up to come down pretty hard. Cause this put is still holding up for tomorrow. Like it's still holding up like pretty well. All right, let's see. What's up, Clutchy? Flip a coin on earnings. Oracle, big win for someone though. Oh, you flipped one? Okay. Same is so annoying. Matt 44.1. Okay, so that means that the contract goes down. If Ford goes down $1, the contract will increase by $44 per share, or per contract. When you see the big puts and calls that are in, where do you see that? Is that where do I see that? So you can see that on Moomoo. Here, I can like show you. Let me see. Let me open that up. Also, let me add that real quick. I got this thing that's like a stream deck, but it's not a stream deck. But it's like maybe like 20% of the price or 25% of the price, and does like the exact same thing. So I'll probably add that feature or add that one in on it real quick. Here, let's see. So I got like some quick keys set up to where I can make stuff happen without having to do as much work. Oh, where's the app? Oh, there it is. There we go. Okay. All right, let's pull that up. Yeah, this morning feels like a trap though. Oh, hold up. We don't need to. Every time. Hold up. It's always on Robinhood. Let me, bro, it always signs me out of Robinhood. I gotta make sure I'm not on Robinhood whenever I try to pull up my phone on here. Let's see. What was I doing? Oh, I was about to show you the thing on Moomoo. Let's see. All right, let's pull up iPhone. Let's see if we can. Why is it not showing? There we go. Wait. Oh, there we go. All right, let's move that. All right. Okay, so one of the ways that you can do that is on Moomoo. There's multiple ways you can do it. If you want to go to a specific account and do it on Moomoo, or a specific stock, say, what's something that's moving a lot? Let's say I wanted to do it on Oracle. I can go to Moomoo, click on Oracle, click on options, and click on unusual activity. And like anytime that there are large option orders on Oracle, wait, what's the day? The 12th? This is kind of, you can see. So I can see somebody bought 5,180 contracts for a $155 put on Oracle. And honestly, it says bearish floor. I believe that might be like that might be saying like, yo, that's the floor. So when it comes to like interpreting it, that's something that takes some time to learn. That's something you can go down a whole rabbit hole journey on when it comes to like kind of figuring out what that means. But you can look by using the what is it? Using the unusual options activity. And then if you just kind of want to look at general, you can go to markets. You can go to, what is it? Thing like options, and scroll down. Right here you have unusual activity. So it'll kind of like refresh. So looking at the unusual activity for the day, the latest thing, somebody bought 1,025 calls on GameStop expiring, I think, August 15th. So yeah, you can see kind of all this. Whenever you see anything that just looks like really unusual or like, hey, something's going on here, that's usually when I'll get in on these. Also, when you see the big puts in, oh, okay. Shoulder, head, shoulder, knees, come on, SPY. Get down, low, down, get down, low. Hey, we'll see what the SPY does. This move is feeling trappy to me, but also trying to check my gotta check my biases too. Let's see. Got into NVIDIA June 27th, 145 call at 3.5. There's massive volume near term, 149 calls. Bullish momentum, I hope. NVIDIA. So once again, I think there will be some resistance at 145, but if it gets above that, it might be off to the races. Or if it can hold above that, it might be off to the races. If we can get above this trend line. Do you think SPY is going to keep running higher today, or is it a possibility? Honestly, there's no telling. There is resistance here, but the SPY can do whatever it wants. But yeah, there's resistance here. But yeah, it's kind of, I didn't expect it to push like this, so anything can happen. I guess it depends on what time frame we're looking at, because on the 15 we're overbought, 10 we're overbought, 5 we're overbought. But on like the higher time frames, we're kind of cooling and right in the middle, and those are the ones that get more respect. And it's like I still would like to see us like come sweep this all-time high. We're so close on the Qs and on the SPY. I would be a lot more in a move to the downside if we can do that, but we'll see. Do you think SPY? Oh wait, okay. NVIDIA crossed over. That they did. That they did. So yeah, on the day we're bullish right now. Let me extend this trend line. It's like I could only hope for a break of the trend line, but we're still riding these things. Like, what should I buy? You should buy whatever makes you happy. I can't tell you what to buy. It's your money. SPY don't care what we want it. All right, yeah, not on the short term for sure. It's like longer term. It's like, oh yeah, it's gotta load up and pull back. But yeah, we got confirmation on this candle right here. We got like one more candle where it like moved up a little bit, but now it's kind of chilling. So from here, I would love to either I would like to see a pullback to about 684. If we can get some momentum with that, that'll be where my exit is. Let's see. PCE. Take a quick look at the PCE. So we kind of gapped up on the PCE. but it's still not like too incredibly high. Do you have alerts from? No, whenever I do that, I look them up individually. So honestly, while I'm here on stream, or because I've been streaming, ever since I started streaming, I haven't really been looking at unusual activity like that. Because it's like there's only so much one person can do. And if I had it set to where I was alerted every time the unusual activity went off, I would get so many alerts that I wouldn't look at it anyway. It's because I'm already like bombarded with alerts. So the only alerts that I really get are like certain news alerts. Which I don't have turned on Moomoo. I don't. I think Moomoo has like probably one of the like best news kind of one of the free. It's one of the best free news sources in my opinion. I don't have alerts on for that though. Thought about buying another sofa. Honestly, I have that same thought, and it's like I may end up doing that. Just need Tesla to say good morning. I think Tesla had a good little pop this morning. But issue, good morning. I talk to stocks daily like Tom Hanks to Wilson. Oh, these girls! I can only imagine what it's like. Only imagine. Y'all, I was trying to look at the Moomoo desktop trading platform yesterday. Loki, I might look at it a little bit right now. I was like, oh, coming from TradingView, it's hard. I'm trying to find stuff I like about it. I'm just like, I did like kind of like some of the news tab setup, but I was like, Grok says S&P will close at 603 today. It will close higher than yesterday. Did you like send it a screenshot? And I think that would be something cool to like check in and see like how valid it ends up, like the AI, like the analysis or whatnot. But yeah, I'm about to. So once again, yeah, I'm looking for a retest for my for entry. I missed your calls for SoFi. Hey, you're all good. I'm still riding it, and I am in the red on SoFi right now. I have it, and it's pretty nice. I'm trying to. Oh, I don't think I spent enough time playing around with it, so I'm kind of playing around with it right now. Entered SoFi. Okay, exit yesterday. Alright, cool. Short on Nvidia. I mean, this would be a decent area to take it from, depending on what time frame you're on, but I would not take one just yet here with everything that's developed. Thank you, D-Scurv. Haven't used TradingView yet, but I have the app. Appreciate you, Kareem. I was reading something last year that Moomoo is using TradingView software. Interesting. If only, if only they got like the best of Trading View. That would be nice, cause then they get it for free. Like honestly, when it comes to here, let me pull this up and show y'all what I'm looking at. Like when it comes to the data and information, like this stuff is here. Let's see. I think I need to add another. Oh, that's a scene. Oh, I need to figure out. I need to learn more about OBS, because looks like I can do some pretty cool stuff with this during the stream. But let's see. Was it video capture? Oh, no, it's not video capture. What, screen capture. Let's go. Where are we at? There we go. And then there we go. All right, so now just show y'all a quick look. Just me looking at around at. I got a Moomoo over here on the side. I'm looking at, and it's like, yo, some of the data and stuff. It's cool. I just need to, I'm trying to look around and see kind of what's good. Hey, SoFi comes for that 517. I might go in on another couple contracts. Let's see. Yeah, still looking around at Moomoo. Okay. A sidebar. Markets, counts. Thank you, Medishu. I use it how you use TradingView. You said also it's cow. I feel like Moomoo is easier to say than cow. Hey, honestly, I like this. Like I like their news and everything. It's kind of their news is fire. Amazon Web Services to provide RWE with cloud services. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, their news is fire. Kind of cool. When it comes to being able to chart multiple charts, Webull does a great job as far as free. I'm watching Spy, SoFi, and others. I'm trying to see if I can. I'm trying to see if you can do that on here. I would imagine. I'm just exploring right now. Got some stock screeners on here. Got the option chain. Because I think it would be pretty cool to use this on the days that I'm actually, oh, what is this? I can make like a, okay, so this is kind of, okay. Wait, let me see. Widget, okay. All right. So look, this is looking like, so, oh, hold up. Another one there. Yeah, it looks like you can do it on Moomoo too. Or as Matt would say, cow. Can you make it? Oh shoot. Okay. Is there a limit? Let's see how many we can get in here. If we can get 8, that's solid. Alright, can I like copy these? No. Let me try to make them the same size. It's nice how it kind of just snaps like that. I feel like I'm like painting or coloring. So it's like I can get a bunch over here. I feel like this is better than Legends. So everybody talking about Robinhood Legends. Yo, low key, this Moomoo desktop platform with the screens. And what they should have a news. Wait, hold up. Quotes, trade, analysis. Do they have news? Trade status, strike price, volume by strike price. Oh, this is. Oh, hold up. Option calculator. Oh, they got an option calculator. That's kind of clean. Trade stats, open interest, volume by strike price. That's kind of interesting too. This is something. Oh, where'd it go? I don't know where it just went. Tools, watch list, screener, market. Bro, you can have the unusual activity like just flowing on the side. Can I shrink this down? Okay, you can only shrink it down so much, but wait, hold on, let me clear these out. All right, that's cool. I'm still a little annoyed that you can't necessarily, yeah, I'm gonna have to play with that some more. In Moomoo, go to a watch list near heart, and then select the 4 squares next to the drop down list. Wait, hold up. Okay, see the watch list. What are the 4 squares? Is that like are you talking about the custom? Oh no, yeah, no doubt. It's complicated for beginners. No doubt, very complicated. It's just whenever you start trying to get into platforms. All right, SoFi is up here. I might yeah, I might grab one for next week. Let's see. I'm gonna close out on my SoFi for this week, and I'm gonna just get something for next week. So yeah, I just sold my 3 contracts for 4 each, which is kind of sad because I could have sold them for more. And then yeah, I'm gonna throw that into something for next week. All right, so I got a 14.5 put for next week. Paid 23 for it. All right, let me close out Moomoo for now. I'll play around with it later. Works awesome for all my hot stocks I'm watching. Cool. SPY, I think it's time to get out. It might be. Oh, we'll see. So let me alert the family real quick. Everyone just took loss on my SoFi contracts at 0.04 per share. Grabbed a, what was it, 14.5? Put expiring next week. Instead. Paid. Oh, what just happened? Paid. What is it? 23 per share. All right. Multi-chart view. It can be kind of nice from time to time having a multi-chart view. Here, I gotta swap the SoFi out for a new one. Moving out a week. Should have done this to start the day. Did not take profit, see profit like I know I should. Wait. Oh, I was about to say, I was like, it was not that much. Okay, where's... There we go. If we go back to the 4 hour, we did place that liquidity there. We still haven't confirmed above this trend line. I would still look to us to sell off on SoFi. I feel like it's too early for that, but that's just me. I'm going to stay a little longer in SoFi. I mean, it's possible. Yeah, it's possible, but I feel like it's a good time. I might even like, here, let me look at SoFi on like let's see how it's looking on a weekly. Oh, it's kind of chilling a little bit. Let me go to a monthly. Oh man, it can still push up here, but there is resistance where it's currently at. Next area looks like about 1560. But also it still needs to come back and get this still needs to take out this 857. Let me see how cheap a hedge would be on SoFi. See if I can get more shares when we come down on SoFi. Like I'm looking at time with this though. So honestly, I don't even love the numbers on these SoFi puts, or like the ones with time. There's that Fubo call I was talking about buying. Bro, Fubo needs to still have some things it needs to do too. Better not hold. Here, let's pull SoFi back up though. want to take another look at Oracle. So they kind of took off at market open. I'm gonna need to do a run through of some things. And let me set an alert on these trend lines. Oh, that is not where I meant to look at that. I'm on the hunt now, y'all. Microsoft, Amazon. Yeah, I want to see Nvidia approach this. Yeah, I want to catch it. But when? Oh, okay. Hold up. Yeah, I want to see Nvidia at this 135 or 145 kind of 30 level. All right, SoFi pulling back again a little bit. Not really affecting too much, but Hood. Let's get a bird's eye view on Hood. I still have nothing to say about this. So they broke. Yeah, nothing to say about Hood. Palantir. Too soon. QBTS. Hey, top of the morning, Big Reg. APP. All right, so we got the dollar rising. Okay, so there's not really anything that I just feel convicted about. Or at least not where we are. Nothing just at like some super obvious levels. Microsoft's at an all-time high right now. Top of the morning, Will. Amazon want to look at, needs to come up a bit to show call potential. Hold up. Amazon. It's in a demand zone, but it's a wide one. Here, let's see what we're looking like on the lower time frame. Like, honestly, I'm attracted to this level right here. This kind of like 206.61 for upside. Nvidia testing 145 for a third time. Let's see. I still got my eyes on this right here. Quick analysis on gap. Let me make sure I set an alert right here real quick. Okay. Yeah, we can look at it. So on the monthly, see a lot of consolidation. They look like they recently just sold off. Weekly, similar story. They are closer to the bottom end of their kind of consolidating range. Wait, hold up. Daily. So we have support kind of in this area. So their support at about $20.90. All right, so we got a SPY coming back to the trend line. Might be able to let's see if we can get a break and then like a retest of that resistance from this morning. So maybe I can close at a better price. Then going to a 4-hour on gap. Still at that kind of, once again, support's going to be at about $21 or $20.90 in that area. Below that, it looks like it could fall some more. There is a little bit of liquidity at $20.80, but right now it looks like gap is pretty close to like it's oversold on the lower time frames. But that's all I gotta say about gap. Now you got me looking at my Moomoo app. Do you get all those features with a large account? I have all those features with that account has like that account with Moomoo. I had that's the account for the little challenge. So here, let me see. Yeah, I think right now I only got like 336 in there. So yeah, everything that you saw, that's all with an account that has $336 in it. SPY dipping, not sure if it's dumping. Very welcome, Daniel. Stop loss hit on SPY, pretty sure it's about to plummet. Oh, we'll see, we'll see. Hey, SoFi. Oh, it's not anything crazy, but SoFi. It looks like we got in at a good spot. That little liquidity right there. Oh, that Pfizer calls up even more. Little update. Yo, it's up. Oh, it came down after I said it's up. I'm gonna stop talking about it. Picked up an Nvidia call this morning. It's in the green, but didn't realize I don't have any day trades. Are you on a margin account or are you on a cash account, Big Reg? Oh, you're on a margin account. Well, depending on what strike you got, and depending on how much you're up, something you can consider is if you here, let me here, let's just walk through an example. SPY predicted to close higher tomorrow. Yeah, we'll have to check in and see how that actually ends up doing. Honestly, there's probably a good chance. Let's see. But these market makers, there are people in charge of what happens. Okay, so SPY just crossed the trend line, but like taking a look at Nvidia. Oh, if we looked at something expiring tomorrow, so let's say I bought a call on Nvidia. Let's say I bought like a 143, and at the time it was let's say I bought it for 200, this 143, and I don't have day trades. If I wanted to take profit after it's moved up, I would personally look at this 144, come to the sell side, and let's pretend this was at 200 or more, because that's the price I bought it at. I would get the money back I paid for the contract plus whatever price more than whatever I paid for this contract was. And then the difference between these two in price, that would be sitting there in a spread, and I could close those out the next day and still kind of win off that. All right, so SPY made its first move to that 13 EMA. That's cool. If Chime's IPO goes well today, IPO market could be well and truly back. Actually, that's a good point. MSense, weren't you talking about Chime a long time ago? Maybe? Or did I make that up? I feel like you were talking about the Chime IPO a long time ago. I did see something about it yesterday, though. Is Moomoo the only broker account? No, I use Robinhood too. It's just it won't let me show my phone on Robinhood. But yeah, I use Moomoo, Robinhood. I have used TradingView. I have used Tastyworks. Oh no, not TradingView. I have used Thinkorswim. So TD Ameritrade, which is now Charles Schwab. So I've used all those. Tastyworks, TD Ameritrade. I've used Webull. I want to say that's it, but it's possible I've used more. I use interactive brokers, but not for options. For some reason, they won't approve me for options. But it's still a really good platform in my eyes. Wasn't me talking about Chime. Also, where's your SPY put at now? It's at 61. Think we could end up coming back to that retest level that I was talking about. Oh, it's at 67 now. Oh, it's at 68. Okay. Yeah, bring it back. Bring it back. Okay. Let's bring it on back, SPY. I'm here for it. Let me check in on SoFi. Okay. What strike price did I get on SPY? It was a 595 that expired. It expires tomorrow. Honestly, I'm not necessarily like looking to profit as of right now. I'm just trying to right now I am just trying to get to where I see is an optimal place to kind of cut out for my loss, which would actually line up with about where the 200 EMA is on the 5-minute chart. Oh, it's pulling back up now. Or I guess the SPY is pulling back up, the contract's pulling back down. So far back below 15. Love to see it. Love to see it. Could have at least. Oh, haven't gotten back to break even yet. Right now I'm still down 22, so there's no confirmation yet. But we just got Euro close. So Europe is close. All right. Oh, Pfizer. Oh, I said I was gonna stop talking about it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking about it. I can just see it up there. That's all. Says S&P can be affected by Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. Here, let's see. So we got consumer sentiment as well as inflation expectations tomorrow. All right, selling on down a little bit here. But Anna, did you take a screenshot and share it with Grok when you did that? I know I already asked, so I may have missed the response. Oh, I meant me 71 was okay. Trying not to trade after 10 starting today, but if you see something, say something. Need my money plus 200. Oh. Need it back plus a 10x. Okay. M-Sense does not play. He said, I need my money. Where's my money? XOM having we'll see. That it is. Yeah, good little running went on today. Hey, M-Sense D Scurve right there with you. Revenge mode parabolic on parabolic. Okay. I wouldn't mind if everything I was in decided to go parabolic. Not sure if I should get out of this or hold it until tomorrow. Hey, this sounds like a decision you have to make a lot, Matt. I think you should be pretty confident with these decisions now. You sound like you make this decision a lot. It's like me. There was a point when I would always like stay in, but right now I'm like, man, I gotta. I'm like, yo, let me cut out, and then next day it's just like, oh yeah, I'm On that note, Nvidia, Apple, and Amazon to the moon. Bro, I'm still mad about Amazon. Like when I think about the fact that I had like a solid like three $3,000 worth of Amazon, and like this was around the $80 stock when it was around $80, around like $3,000 worth of Amazon stock just from my portion at what is it? Just a company match when I was working at Amazon, and I did not get to keep any of it when I left because it didn't vest until 3 years. I was there like a year and a half. But yo, Europe was calling, so it is what it is. Very welcome, Sarah. If I get in whatever you're in, then get out. It'll go parabolic. That's how it works. XOM having a good day. Hold my beer. Watch what happens. Oh no. 2022 at Amazon. So yeah, that sounds part of the time. I could probably check my tax statements and stuff, but yeah, I was there. Maybe part of 2021 too. I think I might have started working there early 2021. Yeah, maybe late 2021 to like mid 2023. I'm not even sure. But yeah, I was for sure there 2022. You're very welcome, mommy. Thank you for being here. Thank you for smashing the like button. Also, speaking of smashing the like button, I see we got 90 people on. I see we got 80 likes. That means we're cutting it close. That's partially on me for not saying anything earlier. But family, if you're here, you can hear the sound of my voice and you have not already. It would be very much so appreciated if you could like locate that like button, smash it. Oh shit, we just lost one. Oh, we're playing. Hey, we're playing. We are playing. Okay. But yeah, if you could locate that like button, smash it, and free us from the depths of El Salvador. That way we don't have to do the subscribers only mode tomorrow. But let's see. You can bet the market is moving at 11:05. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I don't know if y'all paid attention, but yesterday and like oftentimes as soon as I get off the stream, the market's like, okay, let's move down. So like yesterday, you can see whenever you can see when I got off the stream. Where we at? So yesterday it was Wednesday. So I got off here. The market drops from 603.60 quick down to 601.90. Then it's like, okay, you know what? We'll come back up. And then, yeah, a lot of selling off. Ski cash them out. Me too. Did you say you're? No, I was in Portugal. I was in Portugal. Like the majority of, not the majority of, but I was late 2023 to like the end of June of 2024. Yeah, I was out there. Dang, GME is pooping the bed. Well, that sounds messy. Here, let's see. Let's check out this messiness. Oh, dang. GameStop Corp is offering. Dang. Okay. So they're taking on the MSTR model. So like I was saying, like somebody, I think multiple people asked me about their earnings. I don't know, in the past week, I was like, GameStop earnings does not really appeal to me or like anything I want to play. It's like I only play them off of unusual activity because GameStop is now a Bitcoin play. But it's like they're buying Bitcoin closer to, or it looks like they're trying to buy Bitcoin closer to all-time highs. Whereas there may have been strength on a pullback. So GameStop is dropping because they are offering up more shares, therefore devaluing their shares. Oh, it says proceeds will fund corporate needs and potential acquisitions. I mean, honestly, that's the only way that they survive is by buying other things because I guess their business model is not as I guess not as sustainable, or it's not really that sustainable. People, I don't know, because of the internet, people don't need to do all that stuff that GME involves itself in, and then there are other retailers that kind of do all the same things too. No joke, I have a screenshot of my option 5 minute when you got up. Oh, that's wild, Matt. That's wild. You think if Palantir gets past 146.30, it'll I think Palantir has gone crazy. Like just Palantir continues to go crazy. I'm waiting for like some ultra crazy short, but you said why that price? That's an oddly specific price. Hold up. Actually, you said 146.30. What makes you call that price? Daniel, just out of curiosity, there's nothing that draws me to that just because I've never seen it at that price. It's not a psychological level. So I'm just I'm gonna be real. I'm just a little confused. Like, what draws you to that price? Oh, you said nights in Lisbon, so yeah, kind of pretty much Lisbon. It was just outside of Lisbon. It was in a town called Putinha or Pontinha, and but yeah, I was in Lisbon basically, like the same way I'm in Dallas. I would say more so how I'm in Dallas. I was in Lisbon. Like it was a lot faster than me. The metros were so quick and easy to get on the metro. Diddy. Hey, why are we talking about Diddy? Did I say something? I say something like oh, you said 136. Okay. I was like, what? No. There's right now I wouldn't really expect anything too crazy from here. Like just, or at least not at that level. The range is pretty tight, but it would be more 137.14 that I'd look for. Oracle is straight consolidating at 200. That might be getting ready to do a little turnaround. Hold up. Let me find out. Let's look at RCL. Oh, not Orville. Oracle. Oh, that's not long enough consolidation for me. I was gonna be like, oh yeah, let me get some downside, but What's the RSI at? Oh, it's going down like a Diddy party. Oh no. Oh no. All right, so I'm a solicit. I'm gonna sit here and solicit for likes again. Family, are you out there? Can you hear me? Did you smash the like button? Because if not, the family needs your help. Hey, 11 more, and you can save oh y'all playing with me. Okay, I see. Hey, we taking the likes away now. Okay, see how it is. But what was I gonna say? Y'all ever see those animal shelter commercials like the in the arms of the angels? Bro, it's like bro, that's like my childhood right now, right there with those commercials. What was her name? Sarah McLaughlin. Bro, they used to go crazy with those. Oracle or another stair step up to 210. Bro, I just said Orville, and now I want some popcorn. We don't need another Alcatraz Friday. Oh dang, we're playing around. Yo, we were just up to like 91. Oh, y'all playing with me. Matt, I know it's you. I know it's you. Hey, we're here with the games today. Imagine I just abruptly end the stream right now. I'm like, yo, Alcatraz it is. Hey, we'll see. Whatever happens, happens. I'm ready for whatever. Might have to have a little fun with the thumbnail. Yeah, those things definitely get sad. Definitely get sad. All right, let's see. What was that? Oh yeah, we're playing today. We trolling. Okay, back and forth with it. Back and forth. You gotta make sure when you press it, you're not taking off the like. I mean that too. That too. I think if it dances when you do it, hey, you're doing it. Let's see. You better not end the stream. I know your address. Hey, I'm chilling though. That's like, I'm not here to just give out my address, but also it's like, I feel like I live in an apartment complex. So it's like, if anything happens to where I live, hey, just know you're affecting like a mass amount of people. But yeah, when I have like when I get like a house or something, I'm gonna have to have some land. I'm gonna have to have like some okay, I'm gonna have to have some separation. Okay, SoFi selling down a little bit. Let's see how it's looking. Okay, so that SoFi puts up like 26 since we got in. Honestly, it's not moving that crazy. Still be nice to see if we can get to what I was originally trying to ride to though. Let's see. SoFi on the 15-minute look good for the put. I mean, I definitely am riding the put. I definitely had to swap out the put just because I wasn't what is it? Oh, IP address. It's an internet. Okay, I got you. Yeah, you said UP address. Okay. But you can actually find out my address through the IP address. If you got it like that, hey, you can do that. I know I try not to mess with people because it's like I know, bro, there are some crazy people out there. And maybe they're not crazy, but maybe they're just smart. But it's just like there are some people who have the power to get information that can, if it falls into the wrong hands, yo, you don't want to have anyone against you. Uh, but yeah, I think where the joke failed, Matt, was just the fact that it said you said UP at first. I would have got it if you said IP. Let's see. I showed up to I appreciate you, Stock Mark. Hey, appreciate you. Honestly, if I want to come through and like if I want to go through to my old YouTube accounts, I can get us. Hey, I can free us. I'll do it if we need to. Did you hear about the plane that crashed in India? Yeah, so I heard about that like this morning, and it was a Boeing, I want to say 747, and yeah, it's about like 240 people, all that stuff, and they gave like a Mayday call, so they had the ability to do that, but yeah, that's very wild, very wild. That's the word they use, power. I know some people I'm scared of knowing. You said know some people I'm scared of knowing. I'm gonna say that. It's like I know you can't like you shouldn't like never stress yourself out trying to like get everyone to like you. That's not on you. But I do what I can to not be hated. Unless you're just a hater and like if you're just a hater, I don't know what to say about you, but it's like other than the fact that maybe you're a hater. Yeah, I'm talking to you over there sitting there hating. No, I'm kidding. But it's like I just oh, it's like I want people on my side, but I kind of want people against me too. Like it's like low key on all my videos. It's like y'all can't see it, but like on all my videos, there is one person, like for as far back as I can remember, that's been thumbs downing all my videos. And I'm like, yes. It's like low key, I kind of look for it a little bit. Oh, Trump speaking? Interesting. But it's like that person thumbs downing my video helps me feel like I'm doing something right. Now, if it were the majority thumbs downing it, I'll be like, okay, all right, that's something's wrong here. But just since it's just because it's a little bit, it's like just like one person, it's like, oh, all right, doing something right here. I'd be worried if I didn't have a thumbs down. Did Boeing sell off? So yeah, Boeing did. Like over here in the AM, they do have some like liquidity over here. So I was like, oh, they'll probably experience a pop if they pull back to this level. So that was something I had like marked out, but we'll see. Do we know what Trump is speaking on? Here, look, I got it scheduled today. Here, let's see. Did we refresh that? Okay. Hold up. Where we at? So I guess he is at a bill signing ceremony is where he should be. Matt said he's talking about me. I feel like it's long before you found the channel though. Unless you've been riding for years. Oh boy, here we go. Grump put in effect. One person survived from the airplane crash. Well, after that trauma, after the trauma they will likely deal with in their life, if they want to write a book, start a podcast, YouTube channel, TikTok, anything like that, on top of the money they're probably going to get paid out from that plane crash, assuming that they're still like decently abled, they're probably gonna get paid, should they choose to. They got like mad potential now with that situation. I'm not saying I'd wish that, but you said, Matt, we need the news now. What news? Here, let me check the news real quick. Let's see. All right, let's check news. Let's see if there's. Okay, yo, hold up. 3 minutes ago, Trump said, "I like Tesla." Hey, to those of you in Tesla, I don't know. We might see some stuff. I don't know. Usually he'll say something and then he'll just I don't know. But legit, headline, 10:53 Central Time, Trump, I like Tesla. Okay. So we got Tesla up here. We'll see. We'll see if anything happens there. Killing electric vehicle mandate. Lord, here's you. China reversal. You said I just saw that. Okay, let's see. I'm not seeing anything like critical. Trump administration expected to release renewable fuel volume proposal on Friday. Trump about 24 minutes ago say I may have to force something. Honestly, I feel like we can just. He's not supposed to talk on anything crazy today. It's like Trump. There is news and like Trump goes live every day, pretty much. It's not most of the time it's not anything major. So like hopping in and like looking at what he does every single time, it's not going to be of much service. All right, so we got 99 likes, 90 people on. Yo, we're about to close out. Wait, okay. Elon apologized for things he said about Trump yesterday or the day before. He said, I wouldn't say he apologized. I would say he expressed regret. So it's like, oh, we did it. We're free. But yeah, Elon did say like, oh, I don't know. You can't convince me it's not a script, that they didn't have that planned. Trump, like probably silently to his circle, he's probably like, right now is a very good time to buy some Tesla. The stock is going to go up. I don't know. It's like you probably, yeah. It's like you can't convince me. You said the same thing. I believe you did. Yeah, it's all part of the plan. Watch, they're going to end up being some kind of Tesla bill. But yeah, so I want y'all to take a moment. Notice the price of stocks right now. Notice where things are. And notice that, like, I'm getting off right now. And I want y'all to see that, what is it? Stocks are likely about to make a move now that I'm getting off the stream. So maybe hop in a chart of your own if you want to continue. But as for our journey on the day, we made it. We are free. So we will not be in Alcatraz or El Salvador on a Friday. And with that being said, family, I appreciate you stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Peace out, I play Roblox. Peace out, Matt. Peace out, Shalovely. Peace out, Ann. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Anna. Peace out, and peace out, Big Reg. Peace out, Dizzle, Natasha, Tyler, Mahishu, Kilo Hotel. Yo. Yeah, Tesla seeing some green. Seeing some green. There it goes. But yeah, with that being said, family, thank you so much for stopping by. Hope to see you tomorrow. Peace out, family.